Welcome to all. Today we discuss nucleophilic substitution reaction. So here in that case, at first we here describe the nucleophilicity order and then SN1 versus SN2 reaction, and then we discuss factor of SN1 SN2, because the factor is the very important fact, because the in case factor here SN1 mechanism and the reaction goes through otherwise SN2 mechanism. And then we discuss the reactivity, alpha and beta carbon system, and then we discuss unsaturated system. Then our topic will cover the donating and withdrawing effect. What is the effect of donation and withdrawing and the withdrawing effect? And then we discuss the bridgehead system. And then these two one will also cover our part 1 discussion. We also did part 1, and then the problems we also discuss our part 2. Now our discussion starts on. Welcome to all. So today we discuss substitution reaction. So total 3 types of substitution possible. One is nucleophilic, second is electrophilic, third is radical pathway. So at first nucleophilic substitution reaction, where is the nucleophile OH minus attack on this carbon center, so the Cl is removed and form this product. And second one is electrophilic substitution reaction. So in that reaction here form of NO2 to NO2 plus as like, so at first form the electrophile, then after formation of this electrophile the aromatic nucleus is here present, so the attack on this electrophilic center and formation of this product. And third one is radical pathway, so at first form this radical and form the product this. But today our topic is to only discussion nucleophilic substitution reaction. Only we focus on this type of product and this reaction 1. So this reaction we also explain mechanistically. So now we discuss the nucleophile. Here the nucleophile is present NO2 N3 minus RC minus Cn minus I minus Bn minus. So here the properties is nucleophilicity increases with increase of negative charge. So in that case here OH minus is a good nucleophile as compared water. So here negative charge increases, so nucleophilicity increases. And second point is nucleophilicity increases of nucleophilicity increases of atomic number when we down group in the periodic table. So as we follow when periodic table, here fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine presence in this sequence. So when we go from up to down, the nucleophilicity increases. As a reason, I minus is a good nucleophile, then Br minus, then Cl minus, then F minus. So this is very important. And then our third point is along a periodic table nucleophilicity decreases. So when we goes through this direction of periodic table, so here the nucleophilicity decreases. So at first present C minus and then N minus, O minus, F minus. So this reason. So here the increasing basicity, and so here nucleophilicity increases with increasing basicity and polarizability. The term is very important. So here at first we discuss SN1 reaction. So here the characteristic property is 2-step process. First step being rate determining slow step, means when we just let the substrate here C, when methyl up, methyl down and methyl planar. So in case at first step is carbocation formation. So at the step of carbocation formation, at first Cl minus remove and this bond break. So here C plus form. This one is carbocation. So here after formation of this carbocation, the OH minus is attack on this site. So here 2 types of product possible is here. One is OH minus is attack on upside and OH minus attack in downside. So here 2 types of possibility present. So in that case here then 2 product form 50-50 racemic mixture. So when OH minus attack on this side form this product and this OH minus attack on downside form this product. So here the product formation is 50-50 racemic mixture. So now here next point is the slowest step involved the CCl bond ionization. So resulting the formation of this carbocation. So the slowest step involved the CCl means CX bond ionization involved, and then the carbocation formation, and then the greater the stability of these intermediate carbocation, the faster would be the rate of SN1 reaction. So greater the stability of this carbocation, so faster would be the rate of SN1 reaction. So in case when we use 3 degree carbocation, so here the due to the presence of this methyl group, the carbocation is very stable. So when we use the 3 degree carbocation, reaction rate is so much high, and then when we use 2 degree carbocation, then less, and then 1 degree is less. So the order is 3 degree carbocation is greater than 2 degree, then 1 degree. So now the third point is rate increases ion solvating medium, means potic solvent. So in case potic solvent, rate increases. So here weaker nucleophile favors the pathway because here the reaction goes through carbocationic intermediate. So when the reaction goes through carbocationic intermediate, then here the weak nucleophile is attacked here. So here the weaker the nucleophile favors the pathway. So our next point is racemization occur if substrate takes place chiral. Here chiral means here 4 center are different. So racemization occur when 4 center is chiral, means here the R is a different group, when 3R is a different group, R dash and R double dash. So here in that case here the free orbital here presents in case carbocation. So in this intermediate this bond is up, and here the nucleophile when attack OH minus, the step is fast. So it can attack on this orbital faster way and then or this orbital. So here the product formation is racemic mixture. Here 50%. So when the center is chiral, but then our next point is rate is proportional to the substrate. Rate is proportional to the substrate. So now here the in case SN2 reaction, we discuss here SN2 reaction. So the reaction, we choose this substrate and OH minus attack from the back side, and then from the reaction goes through this transition state. So in this transition state Br minus remove and OH minus just here add. But here the configuration is inversion of configuration. Bromine here on this side leaving group, and when the OH minus nucleophile attack on this carbon center, OH minus through this side. So the configuration is inversion here. And then here the first step process, the reaction is concerted process, means in a single step process, and then the CX bond, this CX bond breaking and the CY bond formation, means this bond formation, means this bond breaking and this bond formation occurs simultaneously. So the reaction goes through a transition state, the reaction goes through in a transition state. So here the greater the stability of transition state, the faster would be the SN2 reaction. So this greater the stability of this transition state, faster would be the rate of SN2 reaction. And then the reactivity order is 1, 2, 3, means 1 degree carbocation is greater than 2 degree carbocation is greater than 3 degree carbocation. Means here when we use the carbocation is 1 degree, then the transition state is not disturbed by steric region. So due to the presence of steric region of 3 degree carbocation, here 3 bulky group is present. So 3 bulky group means steric hindrance occur. So as a reason this transition state hamper. So here we use the transition state 1 degree carbocation, then 2 degree, then 3 degree, the reaction rate increases in case 1 degree carbocation. And then here the rate is proportional to nucleophile. Here when the nucleophile is very strong, then the reaction goes through this pathway, because the nucleophilic attack on this center, then Br minus are leave in that case. So where the nucleophile power when high, then the SN2 reaction rate is increases. And then our polar aprotic solvent as like DMF, DMSO, HMPA, then HMPT, the increases the reaction rate, and the reaction favors on this solvent medium DMF, DMSO, HMPA and HMPT. And then here one of the important fact is stereochemical fact, here inversion of configuration. as a nucleophile approach from the back side of leaving group always. This one is the stereochemical fact. Welcome to all. As per our discussion, substitution reaction SN1 versus SN2. In that case, when we use this substrate and then when the reaction goes through on a concerted pathway and reaction goes through same transition state and then the nucleophile attack on backside, just Br minus remove, and this one is the transition state, and from the reaction we say a SN2 reaction, and then when the reaction at first the nucleophilic attack on the second step and from here R and here this one is carbocationic intermediate. When the reaction goes through the carbocationic intermediate, at first Br is removed and then the carbocation form. So after formation of this carbocation, OH minus attack on this center. So OH minus when attack, then formation of product here OHC. We can simply write now R dashed, and then the bold one is R double dash. So here the two possibilities of product possible. So one of the product is this and one of the product is on the side of this. So we can easily say that SN1 reaction medium, so here at form at carbocation. So we know that carbocation is a planar intermediate. So when the carbocation is planar, the attacking of nucleophile from two sides, one is upside and one is downside, so form as a racemic mixture. So when we use the chiral compound, form the racemic mixture. These two one is racemic mixture. But in case SN2 reaction, here form only one step concerted process, so that the transition state is this, and in that case SN1 medium at first forming carbocation reaction carbocation. So this is the main difference between SN2 versus SN1 reaction. So we also discuss the all characteristic property in our discussion. At first we discuss SN1 reaction and then we discuss SN2 reaction with simplest way. The mechanism is very simple. One is a concerted process and one is a two-step process. And here OH minus when attack form the racemic mixture, and otherwise here the inverted product form. So we discuss our some characteristic property. Then one of the important fact is reactivity. Branching at either alpha and beta carbon atom. So here in case branching here when X attached on this group, so here this one is alpha, this one is beta. So when alpha branching increases, the reaction rate of SN2 reaction rate decreases. And then in case SN1 reaction rate increases. Why? Because here when the bulkiness is increases, alpha bond branching is increases, this on something group, this on something group. So here when the bulkiness is increases, the reaction rate is decreases due to the presence of steric region. So steric region SN2 reaction the decreases. And then when in case on SN1 reaction, here steric region is not fact because the reaction goes through carbocationic intermediate in case SN1 reaction. So here when we follow this graph, here the rate increases when carbocation 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree SN1 reaction rate increases, and when the reaction is 1 degree carbocation, the SN2 reaction rate is high, and when 2 degree SN2 reaction something decreases, and then when 3 degree SN2 reaction is almost decreases. But in case SN1 reaction, here 1 degree carbocation the reaction rate is low, 2 degree just increase, and 3 degree the reaction rate is completely increased. So SN1 reaction is based on 3 degree carbocation. So here unsaturation of alpha carbon. So here the vinyl and aryl halide substrate are very unreactive towards the nucleophilic substrate, and then a region high electronegativity of this sp2 carbon, so greater attraction of CX electron pair, and then when this lone pair is shifted through this bond, the double bond formation is occur. So in that case here the increase the bond order due to resonance with the lone pair of X with unsaturation, And then third point is the RCOX substrate types are usually more reactive. This type of substrate usually more reactive on the nucleophilic attack because the C double bond O is a more nucleophilic, sorry, more electrophilic. This center is more electrophile, so nucleophile easily attack through this center. So C double bond O is more electrophilic. And second point is sp2 carbon offers less steric hindrance. Here one of the important point is effect of electron donation and withdrawing. So here in case Z, here when Z is a electron withdrawing group, reaction rate decreases of SN1, and otherwise when the donating group, electron donating group Z increases the reaction rate, because we know that the carbocation stability here the donating group increases due to the presence of electron donation. The carbocation is unstable. So the carbocation gets stability through this electron donating group. So in presence electron withdrawing group, reaction rate decreases, and in presence electron donating group, reaction rate increases. So now we discuss the Bridget system. So in case SN2 mechanism is impossible, and because as the Bridget system, the nucleophile cannot approach the back side. The original reason is the nucleophile cannot approach on the back side. And then in case SN1 reaction is not possible because the Bridget carbon not attain the planarity. So in case only this system, these X when leave, then form carbocation system, and then in case Bridget system, here the system gets not planar. This system get not planar, means planarity here not possible. So due to the presence of this type of not planar system, so the SN1 reaction is not possible here. So this one is not possible because the system is also Bridget. So in that region SN1 SN2 reaction is not possible in that case of Bridget system. So as per our regular information, please subscribe and like this channel, and we also discuss, our lecture is continue. So please follow the discussion and read through the book.